Here comes the ship, matey.
Oh, finally. I don't know why they left us here.
Me either, but I think it has to do with your awful smell.
You say I smell. When was the last time you took a shower, David?
Well, when I come home from work it is late and I don't have time to take a shower.
Gross. Why don't you jump in this ocean right now and wash off?
But the ship is almost here and I don't have time.
You are so gross. I am surprised I haven't died yet.
You won't to die. I will kill you. My pleasure.
Are you a mean matey?